Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. So today we are going to unboxing my new iPad. It is iPad 6. So let's start it. As you can see there. Oh my god. This is marvelous. So as you can see here, this is 128 gigabyte. So, oh my god, you can see that logo Apple is logo Apple, okay, and yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. Let's do. This is a bit more awkward than I expected. Wow! So this is the iPad. I ordered it gold and 128 gigabyte. And the box also include lightning to USB cable, some guides, and USB power adapter, and also some stickers, if you can see like that. So satisfying. Now for the setup. So this iPad does have Touch ID. Whenever you want to open or you have notification to open, just put your thumb and you're ready to go and message your friend, how's your iPad? And I will answer okay. For YouTube, the video is fine, when slide is fine. You can adjust the brightness, and don't worry, you can still record because this is iOS 11, of course. And for gaming, that is so blown my mind. The graphic is so smooth, the play is so smooth, the running is smooth, jumping, all of that is smooth. You will satisfying when you play this game, play Minecraft, Fortnite Battle, and the sound, the gameplay, it is so soft. Now let's talk about multitasking. How to multitasking? Easy. Just drag down to up and pick an app and drag and drop. And you can also minimize it. Now it is for camera. It has panel, square, photo, video, slow-mo, and time-lapse. You can also do a live photo. Easy. Just make a move and then take a picture. Go to the picture and hold. And you can see the picture is moving. I also noticed that the camera front has flash. This flash just make the screen white. Like that. It will affect the picture. It will make the picture effect if you try it at the dark room. It's so fun. The iPad also supports AR. This is the sample of the AR that I tried. It is so mind blown. It looks almost like it was real. You can go into the sun. Yeah. Yes. Other than that, it's just the same. App Store still the same, but the animation is more faster than the iPad 5 generation. This iPad also supports Apple Pencil. And the Hey Siri is also detect well your voice. So whenever you say Hey Siri, it will detect very clearly. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
I'm listening.
How's the weather today?
It's currently cloudy at 26 degrees.
So bye guys. That's all for today. I need to charge my iPad. See you soon.